Welcome to the Kinetic approved jumper pulse oximeter. This pulse oximeter is used to check your oxygen saturation and pulse rate. To use it, please follow these instructions. Insert your finger into the rubber hole and press the power on button. Your SpO2 and pulse rate will display on the screen in seconds. Please note that the oximeter will automatically power off if no finger is detected within 10 seconds. Please follow these tips for a correct measurement. The results may be wrong if you don't plug your finger thoroughly into the oximeter. Fingernail polish or false fingernails might cause an inaccurate SpO2 reading. When your finger is inserted into the oximeter, your nail surface must be facing upwards. Excessive user movement may cause an inaccurate reading. Thank you for watching. For more questions, please consult the manual.